When Asa Candler bought the recipe for Coca-Cola in 1892, he took it nationwide within 8 years and worldwide by the 1920s. Today, Coca-Cola is in over 200 countries. That is what scaling results looks like. DocGo's ability to deliver for our customers is legend. Take New York City as an example. Over the last 4 years, we've helped New York City manage COVID, mitigate monkeypox, run an award-winning mobile health program for unsheltered homeless, meet the evolving needs of the migrant crisis, provide transportation for their network of hospitals, provide additional support in the event of public health crises, and more. Our impact goes far beyond our hometown of New York City. We're currently providing services in 30 US states and across the UK. Our partners look to us because we don't just show up, we deliver every time. Results fuel our drive to build a 100-year company.